All right, so if you guys wanted to see what the Bitty Pop displays look like, and bam, look, it actually comes with Batman and the Joker. So let's just open this up real quick, see what's cracking. Yeah, so you take it out, and then boom. Oh, dope. So I thought you put it on the wall, but you could actually stand it up. All right, so it comes with these two Funko Pops right here. Is the Joker and Batman right there. So let's see how it looks on this. All right, so I actually have the rest of my Bitty Pops at home, but this is how it looks. Bam. This actually looks pretty legit, man. And I thought you had to put it on the wall, but you could just put it right there, like just standing up. And these are the ones I put on there. I had to take these out so they could fit, like just to give a better look, but I like this.